numbers are represented in different number bases. The decimal system, BASE10, is the most common, but computers use the binary system, BASE2, to understand how computers process numbers. It is essential to learn how to convert between these two systems. The first step is understanding place value. Each digit in a number has a place value based on its position. In BASE10, the place values are powers of 10. Example 1, 10, 100, and so on. Whereas in BASE2, the place values are powers of 2. Example 1, 2, 4, 8, etc. Now let's look at let's say a decimal, binary, and our place value representation. Place value representation. Now in decimal, where we have 0, 0, this will be 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0, which is equal to 0. Now, if we have 1 in binary, it will still be 1, which will be 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So this will be equal to 1. 2 raised to the power of 0 will give you 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now, in decimal, we have 2. In binary, it will be 10, which will give us what? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0, which is equals to 2. Now, in converting decimal numbers to BASE2, to convert a decimal number to binary, we use successful division by 2 and record the remainders. Let's say we want to convert now. We want to convert example. Convert 27 BASE10 to BASE2. Now to do this, we'll say 2 in 27 will give us 13 remainder 1. 2 in 13 will give us 6 remainder 1. 2 in 6 will give us 3 remainder 0. Now 2 in 3 will give us 1 remainder 1. 2 in 1 will give us 0 remainder 1. So how do we write this? Write from bottom up. So this will be equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, BASE2. Now let's look at another example for clarification. Let's say I want to convert 6 BASE10 to BASE2. 6, 2. 2 into 6, it will give us what? 3 remainder 0. 2 in 3 will give us 1 remainder 1. 2 in 1 will give us 0 remainder 1. Remember, from bottom up. So this will be equal to 110 BASE2. Now, how do we convert binary numbers to decimal? To convert a binary number to decimal, multiply each digit by the power of 2. corresponding to its position and sum the results. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we want to convert 110,101 base 2 to base 10. Now how do we do this? 110,101 base 2 will be equal to 1 times. Now look at this thing. Come here. From the list, the last number, it will be 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, we'll say 1 times 2 raised to the power 5. Close these brackets. You put your plus. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. Close your brackets, plus. Then the next figure there is 0. 0 times 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Close it, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2. Close the bracket, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1. Close again, plus the last number, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Close the bracket. Now we'll simplify. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5. This will be equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5 will give us 32, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8, plus 1 times, now 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4, plus the next thing here, 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2, plus the next thing here, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Any 2 raised to the power of 0 is always what? 1. So, now this will be equal to 1 times 32 will give us 32, plus 1 times 16 will give us 16, plus 0 times 8 will give us 0, plus 1 times 4 will give us 4, plus 0 times 2 will give us 0, plus 1 times 1 here will give us 1. Now if we add everything here, 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 will give us what? 53 base 10. 53 base 10. Now let's look at another example so we can understand better. Now let's say we want to convert 11010 base 2 to base 10. 11010 base 2 to base 10. So how do we go about this? We'll say 11010 base 2 equal to, remember, the last digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will be 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 close the bracket, plus the next digit here, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3, plus the next digit here, 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now this will be equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. Close the brackets, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. Now come here. 1 times 16 will give you 16, plus 1 times 8 will give you 8, plus 0 times 4 will give you 0, plus 1 times 2 will give you 2, plus 0 times 1 will give you 0. If 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 will give us 26 base 10. Always remember to put the base in which you are converting to.